Yo, yo, yo. What's good, boys? What's good, boys? Bad news for me. Uh, I blew my account today. Yeah. Definitely, I think it could have been avoided. Um, but I'm learning this new strategy, and I will make mistakes, and I hope to kind of like start learning little by little and stop making these mistakes so I can become consistent. So let's get to the mistakes I did. Okay. So first of all, here's the account bridge. View details. Today is the 26th, and on the 26th, I blew my account. I had the whole drawdown left still. I was up like 470 bucks on this account, and then I blew it, man. I fucking blew it. And I'll show you the trade I took to that led me to blow this account. So today is the 26th, so uh, let's get started. So here's I'm saying today is the same day as yesterday because of Memorial Day. So today and yesterday and today are together. We're still making new all-time highs, so structures is bullish, but we are below all BWAPs, which can be good shorts. Or the opening range breakout will be important. I will let it set and then see what price does. So overall, here I'm waiting, but market structure is telling me longs are the move and BWAPs are telling me sells are the move. So based on that, I can say, okay, so it might be a good thing to go lower risk. It might be a good thing to be more careful. It might be a good thing to wait a little bit throughout the day and wait for structure and BWAPs to align, something like that. So um, this is the first trade I took right here on ES. So we broke opening range high, has been taken on both. Uh, NQ above all BWAPs, ES about to fight BWAPs. Okay, so I was writing as price was developing. So NQ above all BWAPs and ES about to fight BWAPs. So price came up here on ES, rejected at this BWAP, big rejections. 930 retracement made a new lower low below the 930 BWAP. I enter my short position as you can see right here and ended up getting out at the high that broke opening range high. Sucks to see it, but I decided to take the short. I think it was a pretty. I mean, the setup is there. The pattern is there. Rejection at the BWAPs. We break 930 BWAP. Sellers take over, and we aim to orb low. I mean, the setup is there, but the context, I think, it's a little bit more deeper than that. NQ, it's about to make all time. NQ made all time highs over here, hit 30K points. NQ is sitting above all BWAPs. Let me see. Yeah, this is the higher day BWAP. I mean, literally, uh, I think it's a pretty dumb trade to be honest. We are not below yesterday's low. Market structure on the higher time frame is bullish. I think NQ is above all the BWAP, so I think the best thing I could have done was for price to make retrace down. Okay, so we make a new we make a new lower low, a higher high, and then a new higher low, and then we wait for the close above the BWAP. So maybe a long here, stop loss at the opening range low, and then just target previous structure, this structure, which was actually taken. I think that could have been the best trade, in my opinion. And then but I just decided to go for the short, so I think this short was pretty stupid, not gonna lie. Um and here's the second trade I took. Here I was adding as price was moving. So yeah, let me see. So once we broke above everything, and then I saw price close above all BWAP, reject at this BWAP, make a new higher high. I decided to enter a long position and the stop loss below this low. Now here I can say two mistakes are being made, or a lot of mistakes. So basically, my first thing is entry is way too late. entry is nowhere near the BWAPs, and price can definitely seek the BWAPs here. A stop loss is nowhere safe. Stop loss should have been somewhere below here, just in case if price wanted to retrace to the BWAPs. I just had room for the trade to let it play out. So my entry and stop loss are stupid as hell. So my entry should have been maybe on this retracement and stop loss here, so I could kind of taken this trade, but I fucked up. I fucking fucked up. I had FOMO in because of this move. I thought Nasdaq was going to continue making new all-time highs um, all day, and then I let myself get taken by that. I enter my long position and stop loss at the low, and then I had a chance to fucking get out right here. Right here, I was up like 450, about 500. So I was up what I had lost the last trade, and I could have closed it. And these rectangles are actually orders on bookmap that I could have closed there, but I decided to just fucking you know to just let it play out, and then eventually it took me out, and this trade is the one that blew my account. So I said in these longs, I can say my entry is not good. It should have been closer to the VWAP, and stop loss is also not good stop loss. Should be below 930 VWAP. I can literally get out right now, but I am greedy and want to go for 650, which is the 50% consistency rule. Um, and this line right here is a high. Could have targeted that high, or that's the high I wanted to target. Or as soon as you reach 600, I was gonna close. But you know, just as stupid of me too. So literally, all of this could have been avoided if I had taken a long somewhere around here, and then just could have been in a long position throughout this whole move. So now that I'm seeing on it in hindsight, it's pretty stupid that I took these trades. But it is what it is. And then so I blew it. I said, right now I am nervous, but I have to remember if I hold and then get out because of fear and I end up on nothing, all that mental exhaustion will be for nothing. I can't act on emotions. I did let it play out. I was up what I had lost on the last trade, so break even, but decided to hold for more, knowing that my entry and stop loss were very vulnerable, so they were weak. I should have known my entry stop loss were in a bad spot and the profit was better. So you know exactly what I'm saying. So price just went all the way to opening range low, and yeah, stupid of me to be honest. And then this is the trade I was taking on a brand new account, which let me see, it's this account over here, account summary. So I got another account, and then it's this account, and on this account, it's that trade I just showed you right now, which basically this is what I was seeing. And as you can see, it is playing out now, and I decided to get out because of fucking consolidation supposedly. I decided to get out, and as you can see, it's fucking working now. So I would have been up in some decent profits right now if I had never gotten out. Um, so basically, let me see. I think it's this one. So basically, this is what I was seeing, right? So I was seeing in Q just making new all-time highs, just new higher highs. So I saw price go up, retrace, have a big retracement down. So where did we retrace into? To the opening range high, previous day New York VWAP, and start of day VWAP, which is this red and blue line. Then price went up, came back down, rejected two times at it, and then closed below all BWAPs. I enter my short position. I enter my long position once we closed above blue New York BWAP. I added once we closed above higher day BWAP, and then I just held through it until I close right now. And as of currently, it's going to the highs. Which it looks like it's gonna go to the highs. Let me see, let me see. And yeah, that's it, man. There's nothing else I can say. So, I did commit some mistakes right now, which is, the fucking this right now closing, getting out because of FOMO, I guess. Fear of fear, basically, and then the other trades that I definitely could have been avoided. So I think a lot of people saw the longs on the ES trade, and I just saw the shorts. But it's a good thing to learn. It's a good thing to learn and to know that you know, there's nothing else I can say, man. So I blew my account, and this one is currently down. So we'll see what the rest of the week brings us, and then see when we can pass this account. But in the meantime, I'll focus on learning and seeing what's up. So yeah, thank you guys for watching.